7.5 kilowatts solar pump inverters are newly introduced for solar water pumping applications, and contain a solar pump inverter single-phase, and a solar pump inverter three-phase. Connect the photovoltaic panel to the inverter. No need to set any parameters. The photovoltaic water pump can be automatically started after power on. It optimizes usability and performance, extending the applicable voltage class and power range of the product. Suit for 2.2 kilowatts, 4 kilowatts, 5.5 kilowatts and 7.5 kilowatts AC water pumps on the market.